why you are not consistent, and how to fix it. You are not lazy. You are not weak. Your brain is just addicted, and no one told you. If you've ever started something like working out, studying, or even uploading videos, and then suddenly stopped after a few days, this video is for you, because today, I'm going to show you the real reason why you are not consistent, and more importantly, how you can fix it. Part 1. The real problem: dopamine addiction. Let's start with the biggest reason. Your brain is addicted to easy dopamine. Every time you scroll social media, watch reels, or play games for hours, your brain gets quick pleasure. And then when you try to do something hard, like studying or working, your brain says, "No, this is boring." That's why you feel lazy. Not because you are lazy, but because your brain is used to easy rewards. Part 2. Nitrogen monoxide clear goal. Second reason. You don't have a clear goal. You say, "I want to be successful. I want to earn money." But that's too vague. Your brain needs clarity. Instead of saying, "I want to grow on YouTube," say, "I will upload one video every 2 days for the next 30 days. Clear goal equals clear action. Part 3. Perfectionism and overthinking. Third reason. You overthink. You wait for the perfect moment. You want everything to be perfect. But here's the truth. Perfection kills consistency. The people who succeed are not perfect. They are consistent. Done is always better than perfect. Part 4. Nitrogen monoxide system only motivation. Most people rely on motivation. But motivation comes and goes. One day you feel like working. Next day you don't. That's why you fail. Instead, you need a system. For example, fixed time for work, fixed time for rest, daily small targets. System beats motivation every time. Part 5. How to fix IT. Step by step. Now let's fix this. Step 1. Reduce dopamine overload. Limit scrolling. Set time for entertainment. Keep your phone away while working. Step 2. Set small goals. Don't say, "I'll work 5 hours." Start with 30 minutes. Consistency greater than intensity. Step 3. Follow the 2-day rule. Never skip your work for more than 2 days. Miss 1 day? Okay. Miss 2 days? Still okay. But never miss 3 days. Step 4. Track your progress. Use a simple habit tracker. Every day you complete your task, mark it. Your brain loves progress. Step 5. Build discipline, not motivation. Even when you don't feel like working, do it anyway. That's discipline. And discipline is what changes your life. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be special. You just need to show up every single day. Because small actions, repeated daily, create massive results. Start today, not tomorrow. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. And comment consistent if you're ready to change your life.